I know what you're thinking. What the fuck am I looking at? Well, this is usually what I look like when I wake up and I shower, which I do, okay? I know a lot of people think we don't shower, me and Jake, but we do. Not together. Not yet. Not that we ever would, but, you know. Anyways, even though I've done this video probably 7 times in my life, I still get comments every single day asking me, how do you do your hair? And it might be an insult, actually. It might be people like concerned that I look the way that I do, which is understandable. Or it might be a compliment. I'm not really sure. I think it's probably a bit of both. Oh, and I have a new friend I need to show you. I'm sorry, I will work on this, okay? This will be pretty soon. Anyways, this is my new friend. He's on my middle finger. If you guys want to help name him, leave some comments down below. Did you guys know that they sell tattoo machines on Amazon and you can just like tattoo your body without any experience, and the tattoos won't look good? And I know that on camera it might look pretty cool, but in person I can promise you that doesn't look as pretty, but it's there until my arm falls off and I rot. Also, before we get into this video, I want to let you know that I am currently on tour in Europe. I'm probably exhausted, but I'm on tour for 2-ish weeks. We're going to Paris, we're going to Amsterdam, we're going to, I honestly don't know. Whenever people ask me where the hell are you touring, I really I don't know. I just say yes. So I'm on tour. Anyways, this video is me showing you guys how I go from this to maximum sexy. The first thing you're gonna need is a dog. So Pluto, you always start your day with one dog. You got anything to say? No? Oh cool, I got dog hair on me. Fantastic, I wanted that. Also, this is my spider. I don't have a name for him, but he exists still, and people are always wondering, is he alive?
Say hello, spider. Hello, I am a spider.
He's got a big dump truck of a big dump truck of a butt. So usually when you do your hair, you want to pop one of these guys on top of your head. There he goes. What is he doing? Is he on my head or is he on my fucking arm? What are you, okay, I don't know. I can't move my arm because I think he's on it, but he's also on my hair. Oh my god, I don't know what to do. I'm actually in a weird position here. Oh god. Okay, he's on me. I don't know what to do. I don't know why I thought this was a good idea. Like, huh. Well, I feel like I'm wearing a fucking bow on the side of my head. I feel like Jojo Siwa. The first thing you want to do after you take a shower, sometimes, if you are in a rush, you can get a blow dryer. This is a premium blow dryer. That's good enough. Then if you're being really fancy, you can use heat spray. I'll be honest with you, I usually don't use this, but I'm trying to be a better man this year. You know, like the monkey from that movie Better Man. That movie sucked. I watched it on a plane, did not like it. You know, I'm gonna be honest, I think you can actually skip the step about the spider on the head. That kind of just delays everything and makes it not so fun. The next thing you want to use is a hair straightener. Doesn't matter what type, but I used to use my hair straightener at like max heat, which is like 450 degrees, which burns your hair and probably isn't the way to do it. Ow, I just poked my eye with my thumb. Why do I not know how to use my body yet? I'm old. I should know how to do this stuff. I put this one at 370. I think that's enough. Honestly, too, I kind of like a little waviness in my hair right now. You know, I kind of like it. I think it's nice, you know? Let's do this shit. And what you want to do is you want to straighten your hair. Whoop-de-fucking-do. This is really up to you, you know? I think the best thing that I ever learned is cutting my hair. Who needs to do that? You know, I don't. I haven't cut my hair in months, maybe 7 months. It's the longest it's ever been, I think, at this point. That's not a bad thing. This is not doing me justice. I'm looking a little shit. But cutting your hair is really the flaw of trying to look like a little emo boy, which, to be honest, I'm kind of a big emo boy at this point. I'm gonna be honest. I'm pushing 30. Where did the time go, you know? Could we like flashback to one of my clips of me as a fetus with my brown and blonde hair in a shitty yellow bathroom? Like where I'm like playing some like emo music and it's speeding up and I'm doing my little hair straightening and I'm like, here's how you do it. Those were the good old days. That was peak YouTube. The sped up music hair tutorial videos that I've done a trillion of. You want to straighten this guy a little bit. You want to straighten this guy a little bit. You want to straighten this guy. I look like Snape.
Harry Potter.
But that's not how he sounds. That's Voldemort.
Harry Potter. Harry Potter.
I tried to watch Harry Potter. I was on shrooms. I started looking at my hands and I just couldn't help but keep on looking at my hands. and going, oh, fuck, they look so old. My hands look so old. It's because I don't drink water. I like to drink a few things. I like to drink soda, mostly Dr. Pepper, and I drink chocolate milk, which is, you know, not good for the body, but makes me feel good. It helps numb the pain. I think this is all you need to do. I don't know. It's really up to you. Life's what you make it, so let's make it rock or whatever. Whatever George Washington said that one time. I look greasy, but, you know, that's okay. You can look greasy because you're eventually going to be so beautiful and dolled up that it's not going to matter. Now, what we really need to do, you know, I don't wear makeup all the time anymore. I kind of grew out of it. It was just a phase. But what I use, Revelation F2. My favorite, mainly because it's the only one that I've used. So therefore, I've just continued to use it all my life and I've never changed. Because when you find something that you like, you stick with it. I got to cover up that scar because I have a scar. But you just put a little bit. Less is more. Which is funny to say when I'm going to probably plaster a shit ton of this on my face. That's okay. Because I'm Johnny Charles. Don't ship me with James Charles. And Barry, don't edit me with James Charles as a ship, okay? I don't want that, okay? Don't edit me like somehow coming out of his Coachella butt, okay? Hello? Do you think James Charles actually hates me? James, leave a comment. Are we friends? Are we not? Then you take a beauty blender. Kind of looks like something that you'd find in your mom's drawer. You just tap your face with it. The more little taps that you do, the more you look like you're a professional at least. Yeah, get it under the little eye bags because you're getting old, bro. You're getting old. I hope I'm doing this right. You know, I'm not really using a mirror. I'm just kind of giving it my all. I think that was pretty good. Do I look beautiful now? Okay, we have a ways to go still. Where's my powder? Where's my Coke? Found it. I've actually never done Coke. Fun fact about me. I've never done Coke. I've never done bath salts. But life's, you know, life still got life. So maybe one day in the next video, if this video hits 20,000 likes, bath salt challenge, you know, so run it up. This is a cheap powder. I don't really know what powder does. I think it just kind of makes the makeup stay on. I don't know, but it's Fit Me 110. I like it because you can always fit it or whatever it says. God, why do I have to be perverted? I'll say something not perverted actually. Fit me because sometimes you just want to fit in, you know, and you deserve to fit in because you're you and you're the best you're the best you. I used to have a hit song called You Girl. Used to play in Build-A-Bears, but you know, that was a lifetime ago. It's kind of crazy that the only stores that have ever played me was Walgreens and Build-A-Bears. I used to like Build-A-Bear. I should honestly probably go there again. I don't know if that's weird to go there. Guys, if this video hits 30,000 likes, I'll Build-A-Bear while on bath salts. Next, we got some eyeliner. This is Revlon. Apparently, I love Revlon or Revolution or whatever the fuck. A lot of people are scared of eyeliner. I'm not scared of it because I poke my eyes so much at this point that I don't mind. I could just jab it right now. Okay, maybe I'm not going to intentionally do that, but you go on the waterline right there. That's the waterline. And you just kind of give it one of those. It's very hard to do without a mirror, but actually not that bad for just doing it without a mirror. Actually, like, kind of professional. Oh, I'm fucking up. It's okay though, because it's just about being smudgy. It's about looking like a rock star, you know, like Kids Bop. I was actually, when I was younger, I wanted to be in Kids Bop. Not gonna lie. I wanted to be in Kids Bop and I wanted to be in Target ads. You know, I mean, maybe in another life I could have because I was blonde and stuff, but not now. I mean, like, look at my fucking hand. Not gonna get that job anymore. Now I'm in Hot Topic, which is kind of like Target for eyeliner people and has been hotel fans. This is gonna be so tough. You gotta get it between the crack. If you don't get between the crack, you're missing out. I cannot fucking do this right. Okay, now you gotta close your eye. Life's hard. And you know, this is all DIY. I didn't watch a tutorial. I don't know what I'm doing, but this is how I've done it for 10 plus years. And it does affect your eyesight because I can't see out of this eye anymore. I know that this is technically like a way to get wrinkles and stuff, but it's the only way I know how to do it. Ah, I broke something. Now, you want to take your fingers and slightly rub it or whatever the fuck. I don't know. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Now, you get your eyeshadow, which I'm using Ice 9 Kills eyeshadow because they sent it to me and I like it. When am I going to get my own eyeshadow palette? Like, somebody help me do that? Like, I feel like it's time. You got glitter, you got red, you got blue, you got black. I'm not really sure which one to wear today. The problem is that I don't clean my brush very well, so whenever I do any color, it usually just gets mixed with black. I'm doing black and red, and I don't know how that's gonna work. It's probably just gonna be black. But I use a brush, which is very good. Use an eyeshadow brush. Like, honestly, I do recommend that. I know a lot of people still use their finger. Brushes are actually kind of the move. And don't use eyeliner as eyeshadow. Like, some people fill up their whole eyelid with eyeliner. Don't fucking do that. It looks terrible. I'm kind of a catty one right there. But it's true. It does not look good. And I know everything about looking good. Look at my forehead. It's massive, which is awesome. I've always wanted a massive forehead. All the greats have massive foreheads. Brendan Urie, me, I don't know who else, but I'm sure somebody else. Maybe your dad or something. I think that's pretty good, actually. Oh my god, I look like old me. Okay, now what you need to do as well, if you really want to bedazzle yourself, you get the it's called the stuff for your eye whiskers. What are those called? Eyelashes. Those are what they're called. I sometimes do this when I want to be really dolled up because I'm blonde, you know, you really have to. And then you kind of like stick out your tongue and go Great, that's on the internet now. Hey Grok, can you put a penis there? Can we talk about AI? Fuck AI. And also Elon Musk, can you like not have AI just making people naked? And like it's getting kind of sus, man. And also people are doing it to you, Elon Musk, and I don't like seeing that. It's kind of crazy. Like people use AI for everything now. They use it for freaking even making music now. It's sad. What happened to the artistry? You know, at least my shitty songs are made without AI. It's just me. Then you got some MILF setting spray. MILF setting spray. You need to kind of... I'm being really fancy today. Now I need to do my hair more. This is the real test is doing your hair. You need one of these, preferably without all this hair in it. Mine has a lot of hair in it, as you can see. You can also use this as a mustache. Then you take your hair, you kind of comb it backwards. Less is more, actually. I used to do a lot. I don't really care to do a lot anymore. You could also take some styling powder and you put it in your hair like that. That's probably a lot. Wish it all around like that. Now the last thing you want is your Tresemme, which is like the cheapest hairspray, but it works. And you just kind of spray it how you want. Less is more because eventually your hair will become so hard and disgusting. But it is nice to help shape the hair and make it look how you want it to look, which you might be like, oh, I want like a queef. Or I want an afro or something, and then this hair tutorial and all this probably wouldn't make sense for you. But you know, if you wanted something like this, then this is how you do it, in my opinion. Anyways, thank you all for watching. I hope this was extremely helpful. I think this was the best one that I've done yet out of all 7 or 8 or 12 of them that I've done. The great thing about this one is that I was actually sober, which is not always the most common for these type of things for me. Be sure to check out the merch at johnnyguilbert.com. You can also get merch at Hot Topic. We have some t-shirts there, and they're pretty sweet. Oh, and I have a comic called Whispers. Sorry for all the promo, but it's on Storygrounds. It's pretty sweet. We're dropping a comic every single week, and I like them, and I look a lot cooler than I actually do in real life. My hair looks better in it, I'll be honest. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Stay happy, not crappy. Life's a bitch, don't quit. I said it. Are you happy? Shout out to Barry's mom. Shout out to Jake's mom. shout out to my mom, and shout out to your guys' moms. Thanks for watching.